Have you ever wondered why we repeat a statement when manifesting a desire? Why is it that we have to persist in the state of wish fulfillment to manifest our desire? So, in today's video, I'll show you what you're doing internally when you repeat a statement. Some of you may have seen manifestation videos and discovered that you must repeat the affirmation every day and be consistent with it. You are doing so because you are persuading yourself. You are convincing yourself of this new reality that you wish to experience. Manifestation is all about changing the inner man. Changes happen when you persist in the new state of being. Right now, you are seeing reality based on your current self-concepts, the concepts you have identified yourself with. In fact, this very video is filtering through your assumptions and reaching towards you. If you bookmark this video and watch it again in a year, your opinions about it will be completely different. This video will remain unchanged, but the mind that perceives it will change. Your mind would be filled with new ideas, and you would view this video in relation to those ideas. So, what I am trying to say is that your reality is reflected back to you based on your inner assumptions, based on your self-concept. You contain all of your assumptions and identifications. You are responding to this world, manifesting things into your life based on what you have identified yourself with. You have become a slave to a certain set of assumptions, but the good news is you can change them whenever you like. So you repeat something within you to get identified with that thing. You do it to form a connection with it. Now whenever someone asks you, "Who are you?" you say, "I am James," or Rachel, or whatever your name is. You further add, "I am a man, I am a woman, I am rich, I am secure." Have you noticed that you are defining yourself? You are adding concepts to your I amness. Your I amness is your true nature. It is the ultimate truth. I am is consciousness. Whatever you add in front of it, you are defining your consciousness. I am is God, who is wearing this body as a garment. So, next time you say, "I am," you are defining this being. Now that the definitions you give are totally in your control, do you say, "I am weak" or "I am poor"? Well, if you do so, you are defining your consciousness to look for the reasons and to experience the situations that are in alignment with those definitions. So, whatever you do on the inside shapes your I amness, and these ideas are nurtured in your imagination, in your mind's eye, before they reach the outside world. You nurture them by remaining firm in your beliefs and claiming to be someone. You are constantly adding something to this I am. I am is the word of God. When you say, "I am this or that," you are boldly claiming yourself to be of a certain nature. When you make a claim about yourself and assume it to be true, the world begins to respond. The repetition of those statements and visual scenes makes you familiar with those things at such a level that it feels so natural. Now when it manifests externally, you say to yourself that it would have happened anyway even if I did not affirm or visualize it. This level of self-persuasion is required of you in order to achieve certain results. You have to convince yourself that you are now the ideal person you wanted to be. This conviction comes only when you stay in the state of having your wishes fulfilled for a certain period of time. This certain period of time is very different and cannot be determined by a mathematical formula, as it depends on person to person and on desire to desire. So, don't think that you have to affirm for only 5 minutes or 5 hours. Simply do it to achieve a certain level of awareness, and then repeat it within yourself. Stay with it for some time. You will get satisfied, and that will cause a conviction in you. This conviction will make things happen for you. This is the core reason why you hear people say that you have to persist. You do it by making repetitive affirmations or playing your imaginary act. All you have to do is make those things natural to you. The being is seeking naturalness to make it appear. Now, I am not saying that you have to believe 100% that it is going to happen, as you never have to assume that it is going to happen. You have to assume that it has already happened. Belief will build eventually. You just have to feed your inner man by claiming yourself to be what you want to be. You have to define your I amness with the concepts you wish to experience. So, I hope you learned something new from this. Subscribe because I post these videos regularly. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.